Hey, what's going on, guys? Your everyday math tutor here. And in this problem, we have a percent change problem. So let's read it out. If the original quantity is 15 and the new quantity is 19, what is the percent change? So what I like to do is to become accustomed to these types of problems, especially the percent change problems. We're going to go ahead and write down the equation for the percent equation here. So we're going to have, sorry, let me erase this. We should write this down every time we get a percent change, just so you could get accustomed to the type of problem. So the change is equal to percent times the, percent times the original amount. So what is the change? Well, the change is actually the difference between the two quantities, the two values, the two dollar amounts, whatever it is, it's the difference between the two quantities or values that it gives you. And it does give us two values. So we're going to underline that right here. So it gives us a quantity of 19 and it gives us a quantity of 15. So we have to find a difference between those two. So what we do is rewrite the biggest number and subtract it by 15. So 19 minus 15 is equal to the percent. Do we have the percent? We do not have the percent because that is actually what it's actually asking for. So we're just going to write P for percent. And we're going to be multiplying that by the original amount. So, of course, in this problem, the original quantity is 15. So we're going to be multiplying it by 15 because that's the original amount. Now we can do the 19 minus 15, which is just 4, is equal to P times 15. Okay, so we can see that the P and the 15 are being multiplied. And what we need to do is, in order to isolate the P, we're going to need to divide by 15 because 15 is being multiplied. We do the inverse operation, that is dividing. So we divide by 15 to both sides. What we do to one side, we have to do to the other. So what do we see here, though? We see 15 divided by 15. Well, 15 divided by 15 is just 1. So we are just left with 1p. And 4 divided by 15, we can just plug into our calculators. We get about 0.267. Now, in order to get that in percent form, we are going to multiply that by 100 and get 26.7%. So the percent change is 26.7%.